everyone, welcome back to the shop. So today, well, I just finished a whole bunch of sheet metal welding projects, and I just needed to forge. So today I'm going to try something I've never done before. I'm going to do Damascus steel with a motorcycle chain, or at least try to do it. Now, I haven't really done much forge welding. Actually, I've maybe forge weld 2 things with my current forge. It can forge weld, but I've never tried it with actually a chain, so I figured, hey, why not try it? I got some motorcycle chain from an old motorcycle I had. It was a spare chain. Never used it, so it's nice and clean. It does have oil on it, but it's nice and clean, so I'm going to prep that and get started. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you what I end up with, and we'll see if it works or not. Okay? I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I actually didn't get it fully forged up, and the reason is because most of it wasn't forging up. Well, it wasn't welding up. And I'm pretty sure I know why. So when I was setting up the chain, I didn't put it as closely as possible because I've never done this before. So I actually left the chain actually in one long loop and actually tied it together. And what happened is when I was putting it together, I wasn't getting the links as closely as possible. And let me grab a section of chain so I can show you what that means. When I first set it up, like I said, I had the links still at the end joint. Oh, this is gonna be... So when I was putting it together, even though they were close together, there was still that gap. So what I needed really to do was, when putting it together, I should have cut the segments and then actually overlapped this as much as possible so they didn't have that gap. Because what was happening is, as I was forging it, it was actually cracking those things open and it wasn't bringing the steel down. Now, another problem I was having was I was only hitting it basically on this side, well, on the flat side, and I should have been compressing it down as well. So some of it did for it welded together, so I'm happy to see that, but overall I need a little bit more practice with this. So some of it did weld, a lot of it didn't. Could I rescue this? With a lot of work, I might be able to, and I'm probably going to put this aside just to think about if I'm actually going to tackle it again. But I do have some more chains, so I will be trying this again. Don't know when, but definitely might try a different Damascus style first before doing the chain, because I know a chain, because of all that open gaps in there, isn't the easiest one to do, so especially the first one to try. So I'm going to try a couple more different Damascus that is a little bit simpler to get together, and probably revisit maybe this piece. I doubt it though, it's pretty far gone, but definitely I got more chain, so I'll definitely be trying that. So this was definitely a learning experience. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.